guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm gonna do a bake with me. So I decided that I will do some baked macaroni. So macaroni, my cheese, egg, butter. So while the macaroni is boiling, I'm gonna grate the cheese, I'm gonna do my carrot and prepare for when the macaroni is finished. So I'm gonna grate my cheese now. So this cheese is a little bit hard to grate. I mean, cheese is soft, but my hands getting tired already.
She needs some milk.
I just can't wait to finish baking this macaroni because I'm just hungry. But I miss my co-host. Oh God, time like now, she would have just had me cracking up with laugh about something. Like I'm sweating to grate a piece of cheese too, boy. You know, the place is just literally hot. So my cheese is finished. I don't need the stalk of the celery. I just need the leaves. This is my celery and this is my carrot. So when I'm baking macaroni, I like colors. I just don't like this one boring color, you know. So I just like to put a little carrot and a little celery inside, sprinkle it a little. So macaroni finished boiling. So this is the macaroni. So I'm gonna put a little butter. I'm gonna throw my egg. It's already smelling good. Sprinkle my carrots. My celery. I'm gonna add my cheese. I feel like eating this macaroni just like this, but no, gotta bake. This is what it looks like. So I'm gonna put it in the dish now. Grab a little butter in the dish. I'm gonna put it in the dish. Wow, this is looking good. This definitely looks good. So what I like to do, this is the macaroni inside the dish, half of it. Then I will put some cheese like in the center, we will see. So this is how it looks. And then I will add some more macaroni to the top. Gosh, if I tell you all the truth, I'm feeling real hungry with what I'm doing here. I just can't wait to make it eat. Just can't wait. Right? So then I will cover the top with macaroni, with cheese, sorry. All I'm studying is food, eh? It's all I'm studying, the little food to eat. So, this pie finally finished. So this is what it looks like. So this is my baked macaroni pie. So let's taste. it's still hot, so not sure how square is gonna come out because it's still hot. And like I said to you all, I'm hungry. So, oh God, it's breaking up. But because I just can't wait for it to cool to cut it. I'm hungry. Wow. It is still very hot. Oh, thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I wish I could share a piece of pie with you all. But next time. Bye.